made it to Carpinteria. We're here at a bar, walking distance from our campsite, so can't wait to get there. Pretty vicious ride, but I'll show you guys the campsite once we get there.
Welcome to your new home for the night.
Okay.
This is where we're camping out.
This is the campsite. It is literally right next to that road. That's really how you feel. Just want to lay out here all day and night. I'm gonna look at my battle scar. I fell today. Oh, I haven't even cleaned up yet. It wasn't that bad, but you know, now my knee is exposed. And I got a hole in my shoe. Alright guys, so I showered already and I'm gonna show you guys our little setup. So let me show you. This is our tent. We're there. I'll show you from this angle. We are right like feet away from the street. That's my bike. That's Babe's bike. And yeah, this is basically our little setup. We still have more room over here if anyone wants to come join us. There's more room in here. There's more room out there and out there. It's pretty spacious. And today I didn't vlog a lot because honestly it was such a hard ride. It was so intense. Yeah, I'll show you guys what we eat and I'll show you what we do for the rest of the day. What time is it actually?
5:57.
It's 6 o'clock now, so it's pretty late. But I mean the day is still nice, so you guys can see. And yeah, I'll show you guys what we do because I'm excited. I swear I'm excited to go. Guys, so I just wanted to say good night. It's getting a little dark and we want to go to sleep already. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, if you watched this video, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys later.